Hi, Jai here from TSS. I'm here today to show you our new aluminium anchor. It's lightweight, durable and corrosive resistant. The first step is to disassemble the anchor. All of our anchors, when they come to you, will come with our bracket system. To hammer this in the ground, you're going to have to take that off. Now the best way to hammer these anchors into the ground is with a piece of hardwood. Just lay that over the top and start swinging. Now that your anchor's into the ground, just have your base rail across the top and secure it with the brackets that we send out. Assembling our new aluminium anchor is that easy. If you need any more information, visit our website or give us a call. Cheers.